In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download mods in Minecraft Launcher. Now this video I'm going to be downloading a minimap mod, but this will work with any mod. Yeah, I know it's been a minute, I'm back, happy late New Year's, but I'm going to try be consistent again. I've been on a mini break, I'm back now. There's timestamps down below, let's begin. So I'll be downloading this, I don't know how to pronounce it, Zero's minimap. Remember, the process is the exact same for any mod you do. For game versions it says 1.21, 1.2, 1.10, 0.11, whatever. Now the point is to find the latest game version for you available, and then you're going to want to install that in TLauncher. Now to show you, click on download, then from select mod loaders make sure you click on Forge first, and then click on the game version. So for me, if I do the latest one, 1.2, 1.11, it's not there. The next best one is there. So I'm going to have to download this version right here. Now if you want to download older versions you can, but for this tutorial I'm going to be showing the latest one, which is this one, 1.2, 1.10. So just click on download right there. And just download it on your desktop for now. Now while that's downloading, open up your TLauncher, and before we add it you want to make sure you install the same version that you downloaded the mod. So for me the latest one was 1.2, 1.10. Click on the drop down menu here and make sure you find Forge 1.2, 1.10. It has to be Forge, it can't be Optifine or release or latest release. Make sure it's Forge with the TL logo. Click on that and click on install to download that as well. Once that installs, it's going to load and install the other packs and stuff. Make sure you do that as well, and then you can close out of Minecraft. Yep, it's downloading the stuff now. You can just exit out of that and you'll be back in TLauncher. From here, click on the folder icon on the bottom right there. It'll open up the file location, and then you want to make sure you find mods, which is right here for me. If you don't have the mods, you should, but if you don't have it, just create the folder, it's not that hard. But anyways, enter in mods. As you can see, I have whatever this is, Cape one. I think that's already pre-installed, but whatever. What you want to do is now make this a smaller window, like that. And then you downloaded the mod on your desktop, like I said. Hold it and just drag it there. We'll move it there, and that's it. That's how you would add it to TLauncher. Now exit out of that and enter the game one more time. Go to mods, and then you should see your mod right there. For me, I can see it right there. It's good to go now. If you don't see it there, make sure you double check the version of the mod and the version of the Minecraft you're doing is the exact same. If that still doesn't work, make sure you're on Forge Minecraft. Anyways, to see if this actually works, I'm going to load in the game. So yeah, the minimap is right there. As you can see, it's helpful. It works. Yeah, hopefully your mod should be working as well. Again, if this doesn't work, comment down below any issues you're having, or just listen to the things I said earlier. Make sure you double check everything. But yeah, that's the tutorial. If you guys find this helpful, be sure to leave a like, and if you're new, subscribe. I'm very close to 3,000 subscribers. I want to hit that as soon as possible, and then move on to more milestones later on the year. I'll be posting more consistent tutorials as well, so be on the lookout for that. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.